Well, let's take a look at this question, starting with the question first. Assume that scales and software, I'm looking at here, and calibration services are all separate performance obligation. How much revenue will Ivan recognize in 2021 for this contract? So by just reading the question, you know you're dealing with three separate performance obligations because they're telling you that in the problem clearly. Okay, let's see what we are giving here. On July 15th, Ivan and company sign a contract to provide Town Bakery with an ingredient weighing system for a price of $92,400. The system includes finely tuned scales that fit into Town's automated assembly line. So we have the scale. Ivan proprietary software modified to allow the weighing system to function in the bakery. So we have a software as well. This is what we are told here, but this is easy. That's why it's easier to when you read the question first. And a 1-year contract to calibrate the equipment. Well, we have also calibration. And they paid in total, the bakery paid in total $92,400. $92,400. Ivan competes with other vendors who offer ongoing calibration contract for Ivan's system. If Ivan was to provide these goods and services separately, it would charge $62,000 for the scale, $10,000 for the software, and $28,000 for the calibration contract. This is if they are sold separately. If they are sold separately, if we add all of this up, it will add up to $100,000. Ivan delivered and installed the equipment and the software on August 1st, and the calibration service commenced on that date. And we want to know how much revenue we would recognize for year 2021. Well, let's see. The scale represents 62% of the deal. Oops, sorry. The scale represents 62% of the deal. Why 62%? We have 62,000 divided by 100,000. This is called the relative sales value. 10,000 divided by 100,000, 10%. Calibration, 28%. So what did we deliver by the end of the year for 2021? Did we deliver the scale? Yes, we did install the scale. How much of the 92,000 goes to the scale? Well, 62%, because we did deliver this performance obligation completely. Therefore, 62,000 times 62% should give us revenue of $57,288. We can recognize this revenue. Did we deliver the software? Well, notice here we delivered the equipment and the software. Therefore, we can recognize 10% of this amount, which should be $9,240. We also delivered this. What about the calibration contract? The calibration contract, it says it's for a 1 year. It's not immediately. It's a 1-year contract. Notice here, it's a 1-year contract. Therefore, what's going to happen? First, we have to find out how much are we going to get out of this contract. Well, first of all, we're going to take the 28% times 92,400. Let's find out how much is that. So we're going to take, let's clear this, 0.28, not 58, 0.28 times 92,400. Okay, and that's equal to times 92,400. That's equal to, in total, I'm going to change the color here. In total, that's equal to 25,872. Can we recognize this amount? No, we cannot. Why not? Because the contract is for 1 year. We did not deliver the product yet. So what's going to happen is this. We installed it in August. Therefore, we're going to account for August, September, October, November, and December. Therefore, we're going to take this amount multiplied by 512. So this amount multiplied by, let's see. So 5 divided by 12. Let's clear this again. 5 divided by 12 multiplied by 25,872. That's going to give us $10,780. This is the amount that we can recognize from the calibration. Then we can add to this the software, 92,040, which we would fully completed the work, plus the 57,288. That's going to give us 77,308. Therefore, the answer is C. Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.